Good afternoon from Alpine, Wyoming. I'm here on Gray's Creek, and today I'm going to try to make it to the lookout tower. Hey. Flowers. All right. Welcome to Flower Town. Pretty steady climb so far. That last section was chunk. It's starting to open up more, and I feel like I'm entering a ridge area. That, and on the GPS, it looked like it went to the right. So I bet this could be final ascent. Oh yeah. There's a trail there. Let's do a nav check. I'm in the high country now, Jack. There it is. What the crap? What on earth? Hell yeah! Too cool. Alright, I'm up at the lookout, the fire tower. It's pretty darn cool. The views are amazing. I can tell off in the distance here, that's the Grand Tetons. So that's the Grand Tetons off in the distance. Grand Teton. I can see the Snake River down there. Nothing in here. It's empty. There's windows. Windows on some of it. I don't know if it was weather or vandalism that did away with the windows. On this side there's a door with a latch. Clearly unmanned. I don't know when the last time this was ever utilized. The other one looked like it was more operational, but not an iron out. Right? Here's what it looks like at the top. Alright, that was super cool. It always is when I come up to something like this. Really neat. But making it to the top is only halfway. Still got to get back to camp. Here we go. Ooh, there it goes. Why did I think it went this way? Sorry, sagebrush. Now let's not do that again. Some of the stuff was extra juicy coming up. Curious what it's going to be like going down. Dungarino. Oh, watch that pipe. Hard part is I just don't know if it's going to continue or switch back sometimes because it's so thick. Oh yeah. So I can't like really let it go like and just fly down or let my momentum carry me down because I don't know if it's going to turn at the end. Knowing Idaho, it's going to turn at the end. Ooh, that was a juicy one. Just take a dab. Oh, flowers. Try to relieve the pressure by squeezing with my legs. Big giant pokey ass rock. Whoo! Break time, check. That just kicks the rear. Oh! Watch that. Alright, I'm still rolling down. I'm getting lower though. The vegetation's changing. I'm obviously in the trees again. Monkey business. So I'll drop a gear. Cut the switch back. High on the banks of Daytona. Oh, nice flowers. That's a funky section. bad, so. Oh man, that was something else.